How to start or stop relax mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Modes and Routines. So you will see Modes and Routines is here. So click on Modes and Routines. So scroll down and you will see relax mode is here. So click on relax mode. So if you want to start relax mode, so click on this option and click on time period. So you will select time period from here. So you will select place from here. So after selecting, go back and you will see relax mode is turn on and start. So if you want to stop relax mode, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can start or stop relax mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.